3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is the process of making three-dimensional physical objects from a CAD model or a digital 3D model, by successively adding together layers of material using a 3D printer. Fused deposition modeling, or FDM, is a 3D printing technology that builds parts by heating and extruding thermoplastic filament. In order to 3D print an object, first we need its 3D model. This have to be converted in a STL file. Next, the STL file must be sliced into a set of sections using a slicer software. The slicer software is also setting the 3D printing process parameters and generates a G-code file that contains all the instructions needed by 3D printer to complete the job. A 3D model can be obtained by 3D modeling it using a suitable software, by 3D scanning an existing object, or by downloading it from an online repository. The 3D model may need conversion into STL and positioning on the printing bed. After parameters setting and slicing, the G-code file is generated. The first example of classes using 3D printing consists of downloading a 3D model from internet and printing it. You will need a computer, internet connection, a 3D printer, and some filament, Ultimaker Cura software, hand tools, something to clean the printing surface. Here you can see how to download a 3D model from Thingiverse. There are many other models available. After downloading the 3D model, we need to process it. Here you can see how to do it using Ultimaker Cura, the most popular free slicer. Next, the G-code generated by the slicer need to be transferred to the 3D printer. Before start printing, we need to clean the build surface. Now we can start printing. The printer will take some time to heat the printing bed and the extruder to the set temperatures. Once reached the set temperatures, the 3D printer start building the object, layer after layer. Depending on the object size, the process may take from few minutes to many hours. The object shown in the video took about 1.5 hours. After finishing printing, the object can be removed. Depending on the object, some post-processing may be required. The second example of classes using 3D printing consists of 3D modeling an object with Tinkercad and printing it. In addition to the equipment, software and materials required in the previous example, you will need a Tinkercad account. First step is to create the 3D model. Next, the model will be processed and 3D printed, as shown in the previous example. Here you can see how to 3D model using Tinkercad. Some useful tutorials can be found on Tinkercad website, on YouTube or on other online resources.